Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to send out a quick thank you to everyone. Um, the stream has been going super well. I'm terrible at videos like this, albeit this is my first video like this. But saying thank yous is very strange. I'm like, my heart is racing right now. Anyways, I just wanted to give us a quick thank you. You guys are supporting uh, so much of what is going on. The Discord is over 1,000 people now, and the YouTube channel has gone over 4,000 subs. That's crazy. Um, but yeah, together we've built so far a pretty amazing community, and I look forward to the next year and where we can take this. I just want to keep it going, get it bigger, get more people in the industry, and yeah, not be so nervous in front of cameras. Anyways, cool. I'll see you guys on the next stream. Later.